Today you'll learn what happened to FTX, which led Bitcoin to drop 27% in only 4 days. A significant amount, but not that high when you compare it to other crypto assets. You've probably noticed that there was a lot going on in the crypto market in the last weeks. And you're probably wondering what started this situation. One of the biggest players in the market, FTX, has declared bankruptcy and closed its doors. But we have to start at the beginning so you can get the full picture. Binance, one of the biggest crypto exchanges today, was very important in the creation of FTX. Binance was an FTX angel investor. And as a result, Binance got a large sum of FTT tokens, which are FTX tokens. At the same time, FTX had BNB, which is Binance token. Over time, CZ, Binance CEO, and Sam, FTX CEO, ended up going different ways when it came to their ideas about crypto. But is this really that important? In this case, it was of utmost importance. Sam, also known as SBF, was politically involved with the US Congress, where he used to lobby for the Democrats, which means that he used to finance political groups in order to accelerate the approval of certain public policies. This led to many actions against Binance's interests. As their philosophies diverged, their differences became very clear. CZ believes in decentralization, which is one of crypto's core principles. The freedom decentralization provides to investors. SBF, on the contrary, was focused on centralization. That's where their paths diverged. They started to have open discussions on Twitter, attacking each other. At the same time, FTX insolvency rumors started. At a certain point, CZ ordered the liquidation of FTT holdings because of those rumors. The thing is, Binance FTT holdings were rather large, so the liquidation order could have an impact on the token's price, which was $22 at that time. Soon FTT suddenly dropped 70% and FTX blocked withdrawals, because FTX simply didn't have funds to honor the withdrawals. There was no collateral. And that's when a new movement in the market started. A great deal of investors tried to get their money back with no success. FTT holders liquidated their positions in other exchanges. A sort of bank run started happening. It gathered even more strength because of Alameda Research, its liquidity provider. The thing is, Alameda Research was created by Sam, FTX CEO. And their current CEO is Sam's ex-girlfriend. Now we're getting closer to how big this scandal was. Their guarantee was in FTT, whose price had recently collapsed. According to Forbes, Alameda had a daily revenue of around $3 to $4 million. These resources were actually loans from FTX. This is how it happened. FTT tokens were sent via DeFi platforms, and were left there as a collateral for the loan of other crypto assets. These crypto assets were sent to Alameda, which was over-leveraged using these tokens and trading. As FTX was the provider of this token, so they practically had an unlimited guarantee in their hands. It was not really unlimited, but the maximum supply was relatively large. It surpassed 350 million in max supply. The aftermath was a great crypto bubble, so FTX had to ask Binance for help. At first, Binance agreed and offered to buy FTX, as long as their balance sheet showed they were financially sound. The next day, Binance discovered there was a debt of $8 billion according to the Wall Street Journal. The company also had its collateral in FTT tokens, whose price had dropped 90% at that point. The reality was FTX had no collateral. That's why Binance decided to withdraw the proposal. That day, Alameda Research filed for bankruptcy. The next day, FTX also filed for bankruptcy, and SBF quits. But that's not all. On November 12, FTX was hacked, draining the funds it had left. According to the New York Times, it amounted to $515 million. But there is an investigation already in the works. And using blockchain technology, these resources can be tracked down. In case they are sent to an exchange, it'll be easy to discover who authored the attack. There are some conspiracy theories around. Some say the hack might have been an inside job, but we'll leave that to another video. Leave your comment down below if you would like a part 2 to learn more about these theories. And tell what your take is regarding FTX's collapse. What could happen now? Do you think prices are going to fall even more? We hope you liked this video. Share it with your friends so they get a better picture of what's going on. And follow us so you never miss another video. See you in the next one.